Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and today I'm here to do a Amazon haul for you. This is items that I purchased with gift cards that I got for my birthday that was in June. So here's the Amazon box with the smiley face on it. Now most of this, of what I'm going to show you, it's a small haul, it's not big. But most of it is crafty related. I did get a couple of things. I got something for the new kitten, and I got something for both the cats and my dog. So I'll share that as well. So the first thing that I got was from Kado. It's a set of 4 embroidery hoops that is more the oval shaped, and I thought that this was neat. I like the idea of the oval. For me, that means I'm going to be able to work more across this way, where the circular, yeah, you're getting center, but you always seem to have to move your hoop over. So I thought this would be really good for those longer projects that are more center focused. And I do have some of those coming up that I will be working on at some point. So I got a set of 4. Perfect, these little sizes here, perfect for the mini sizes. So I will do a review once I use them and let you guys know what I think about them. So I got those, and the rest of this is crochet related. So from Leisure Arts, I got Farm Animals, 6 Cute Collectible Country Critters by Jessica Boyer. And I really love doing amigurumis. I live on a sheep farm, so this is perfect. And on the back is what you can make. I have chickens, so that's perfect. Then there's a pig, cow, a little mouse, which we do see on occasion around here, a horse, and then of course this is a sheep. So as everybody knows, we have the black-faced, black legs sheep. So at least this one, if nothing else, the face will be black on this one. So that is this. I'm really excited about doing this. And they have nice color pictures. Inside, there's the chicken. And it's step by step, shows you everything. I really like those. Here's the mouse. So adorable. I love the mouse. So it shows you all the pictures as you're working through. And here's the pig. And each one right here, they will have the degree of hardness that they are. Like this is easy. So far they have all been easy. They give you a shopping list down here. So here's the pig. Cow. And this is cute. The cow even has an udder down there. They made the whole thing. I've seen a lot of them where it's just the cow. I mean, it doesn't have like all the parts. So That's kind of interesting. And the horse. I think these are all easy. It seems like I'm seeing easy on the amount of difficulty indicator. They all seem to be easy. And then here's the sheep, which is the last one. Just really good pictures. They're close up, so you can see what everything is supposed to look like as you are creating it. And then there are general instructions, like if you're new to crochet, it tells you chain, what that means, the abbreviations of everything, symbols and terms is on here as well, gauge markers, and then down here is your weight of yarn, crochet hook sizes, the whole thing on the chart there. Let me see. Tips for safety stuffing yarn ends. Very, very detailed book. Free loops. Changing colors. Joining with single crochet. Embroidery stitches to use for their faces. And then yarn information, like the yarn that they used. There's a lot of Super Saver in here. And that's it. And there is 48 pages in here. It's a very good, colorful book with great instructions and pictures to help you along the way. So I will let you know as I use this what I think of it, but it seems like a very good book that I think beginners would be able to use. So I got that, and then I got Annie's Crochet Animal Amigurumi 2 Crochet, 8 Adorable Designs by Terry Crew. And there's this book. And these are really adorable. Adorable. Okay, so you get the elephant. Cute. And then back here, you get all of these. So you get the bear. You get the giraffe. You get the dog. You get another bear. You get a rabbit, little girl rabbit. You get a monkey, adorable. And you get, of course, my favorite, the cat. So let's kind of flip through this real quick. You got your contents. It starts out with Simply Cute Elephant, and these have skill levels. This is intermediate. So that's what it will look like. Nice full color pictures. And then it just goes through all the pattern as you're making it. And then the next one is Simply Sweet Bunny Rabbit. And this one is intermediate as well. So these might be more intermediate patterns. And then that's what it looks like. If there's anything special, they just have little diagrams on these. Okay, so yeah, you're not getting the total visual like the other book. Simply Cute Kitty Cat. And of course you've got the diagrams for something that is different that you need to do. You got Simply Cute Dog. And this is intermediate as well. Big cute color picture. Simply Sweet Giraffe. There's some more pictures. Teddy bear for hugs. It shows you the two together. I think they're basically the same. That's intermediate as well. I think it might just be color change on the bear. And then you've got, oh, a hippo. That one wasn't in here. Okay, a hippo, which is cute. And then the monkey. I love the monkey. And all of these are intermediate skill levels. So you do probably need to have a little knowledge of the crochet. But in the back you've got your abbreviations, your stitch guides, and then what the chains are that you will be using, yarn conversion, United States or United Kingdom. Then it tells you, yeah, the different stitches that you need to know as well. And this book has, let me see, 40 pages in it. So I will let you know about this as well. I already know I'm going to do the monkey and the kitty for sure. So there's that one. And then I got the Red Heart Super Saver in the cherry red. So I got that. This seems to be a color that I do not have, and it seems like everything that I have been making lately has required red at some point. So I went ahead and I got it. So I would have it. And these I love. These are my colors. As anyone that has watched my videos know, the blues, the teals, seafoam greens, anything like that are my colors. I got the Super Saver Ombre in Scuba. So here it is in Scuba. Isn't that amazing colors? I got 2 of them, and I'm going to be getting more because I am going to make an afghan. I found a stitch that I really, really like, that I think it's an ocean wave stitch that I'm going to make an afghan with. And this is just absolutely beautiful colors. And it seems like they're wound up pretty much the same way. So the colors should go good. There should be pretty much a sequence. So really excited about this. This is very near future project for an afghan. So anyway, that is all Oh no, there isn't. I didn't show you my... Okay. And then for my pets, I got from Clean House Pets, pet nail clippers. And these are for the smaller dogs, and they can also be used for cats as well. There's a cat down here, little dog up here. And it also has a guard, which I have stuck out right here, which helps that you don't get, you know, too close to the quick of your pets. It kind of guards against that. So I'm really excited to use this. My animals need a nail clip. So I got these, and I will do a review when I have used them. And then the last thing that I'm really excited about, I got it for the kitten. My older cat has shown interest, but is not particularly, she's 10, so she's not particularly interested in a whole lot. But this is Upski Roller Cat Toy. It's circular turntable cat toy. So I got this for the kitten. And I believe that this is more to, because on the back it shows kittens. So I think that this is more geared toward a kitten. I got the blue one, which is right here. And it's just a snap together. So what I am going to do is I'm going to put it together today. I'm going to probably wait about a week, and I'm going to see how the kitten reacts to it. You know, and if he can start, if he plays with this really, really well, then I'm going to do a video of him playing with it, and then I will review from that video as he's playing with it. So anybody that has kittens, or I would say young cats, like maybe 1 or 2 years old where they're still in that really, really playful stage, would probably like this. So be watching for that review, because he is very hyper. He loves to play and chase the balls around. Like I've crocheted catnip balls and all of that for them, and he just plays with those all over the place. So I'm thinking he might really like this. So I will do a review, a video review with this. So anyway, that is all I have for this time. I just wanted to share with you guys what I got for my birthday. And I hope everybody is doing well. If you are new and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and please push the notification bell that's next to the subscribe button, and you will be notified of future videos. And as of course, thank you to all returning viewers. I appreciate your support for my channel, and I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Take care.